What is up everybody, Pitch Black is here and I got myself a booster bundle. So let's see if we can get a Darkrai. We've got the 6 packs in here. Looking good, looking good. Let's see what we can do. I have a friend who's decided to master set this set. So I hope I can get an SIR or something to help him out. This is my first Pitch Black pack. We've got an Armor Fossil, Type Null, Tropius, Goldeen, the IR would be cool, a Sea King, Vikavolt, Malamar, Jinx, oh god. Oh, the Slowbro IR. That's awesome, bro. That's actually sick. Nice. That's a good start. Let's get it sleeved up. Look at it go. You can sit over here. That's a good first pack, huh? I like that they made different code cards. Boom. Water energy. A Mandibuzz. Jinx. Drillbur. Charcadet. Sea King. Vikavolt. Malamar. Sarude. Litwick. Ooh, a Mega Darkrai. That's a cool one. It's not the one we actually want, but looking pretty cool. These packs are two pretty good packs to start off with. That's awesome. The full art. Here we got the orange background. The Lucario on it, the Fighting Energy, and Nickit, Slowpoke, Shieldon, not even gonna try to say this guy's name, Gwyn, Marshadow, Gladian's Final Battle, Type Null, Bronzong, and Koraidon. That was a very average pack. The Gardevoir background. I'm really enjoying that they made these different. The purple one, what energy will we get? The green one, Bombardier, Fomantis, Inkay, Poplio, Gwyn, good old Gwyn, Marshadow, Gladian's Final Battle, Drillbur, Cranidos, and a Mega Chandelure EX. It's pretty cool. Ooh, the green background with a Venusaur on it. And the Lightning Energy. Vullaby, Shuppet, Mankey, Brion. Not even gonna try to say this one. Rust Syndicate Grunt, Relicanth, Skull Fossil, Tremendous Bomb, oh god, and a Silvally. So hopefully the Tremendous Bomb is in this one, huh? Get me a Darkrai. We got the normal Pikachu one. Shout out Pikachu. Shout out Fire Energy. Let's see. Cinescorch. Primeape. Armor Fossil, Skarmory, Sinistra, Rust Syndicate Grunt, Relicanth, Manectric, Brion, and a Primarina. So, we got these. Oh, let me just slide them off. These 3 hits here. We got the Slowbro IR, the Mega Darkrai Full Art, and the Mega Chandelure EX. Not too shabby. Starting off pretty good with the pitch black. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe if possible. Would appreciate it a lot. See you in the next one.